Hi guys, so I usually have some pretty bad things to say about the Tories when it comes to how they treat elected office. But when it comes to the DUP, hold my sherry. First I want to show you a clip of a member of the SDLP, the Social Democratic and Labour Party, their representative Daniel McCrossan MLA, who is going to raise an important issue that affects children in Northern Ireland. Then we'll see how the DUP, the extreme unionist party, responds to it. They accuse the SDLP, Sinn Féin and the Moderate Alliance Party of being part of a so-called pan-nationalist front. The DUP member you'll hear is Robin Newton.
Once again, our children and teachers have been failed. The spectre of exams being disrupted and groups of children, including children with special educational needs, being treated unfairly by having to face exams once again around the corner, coming very quickly. The Minister and her department could have had far more robust mitigations in place to avoid this shocking scenario, but now she is playing catch-up again, and our children have once again become the collateral damage. This is not good enough, and our children deserve better. Equally, the SDLP also believe there is a need to draw up similar shortlists for other educational school staff, and we have written in great detail to the Minister about that. But despite my constant calls for these reserved lists to be systematically put together, all we've had is token gestures towards supporting schools. It's simply not good enough. Air filtration, the argument is well made. We need these systems in our schools. There is no disagreement around that. We have spoken widely with the Department, with the Minister, with the Education Authority, with teachers and with schools. They are needed. Let's get this done. And I am not here today to fire the buns around the House, but I have to say there needs to be a greater collective responsibility in this House from those who have led this place for 15 years. 15 years. And if a simple conversation, Mr Speaker, can't happen between the First and Deputy First Minister or the joint First Ministers of this Assembly at this stage in relation to the education of our children, then we are in a hiding to nowhere. This needs to change. Children's education is the priority. Schools open is the priority, and keeping them.
So he's raising a very valid point here that children's education is a priority, and he's not talking about children from the nationalist community, the pro-Irish Catholic community. He's not talking about children from the Protestant community, the pro-British Unionist community. He's talking about children in general. He's talking about how teachers have said that, these systems have to be put in place. Now, you're going to hear from the DUP, who are worse than the Tories. So let's hear what the DUP had to say in response to this.
And this pan-nationalist front signing this motion, Sinn Féin, SDLP and Alliance, are the coordinating group.
Now, let me just explain what he means by pan-nationalist front. So he talks about the SDLP, which is a nationalist party, pro-Irish, representing generally the Catholic community. Sinn Féin, a Republican party, you could describe them as pro-Irish nationalist as well. But he includes here the Alliance Party. So the Alliance Party is a neutral party. It represents its sister party in the UK is the Liberal Democrats. But it's not taking sides on a pro-Irish or pro-British front. It tries to be as neutral as possible. But on this particular issue, children's education, making sure that there are measures put in place to provide safety for both students and teachers, the response from the DUP is to call the Alliance Party part of a pan-nationalist front. This idea that they are part of the nationalist community. They're just playing politics here. They're actually looking after children. They want these measures put in place. The DUP are playing politics here.
Rather than during the pandemic wanting to work with the Minister, has sought to criticise for political advantage.
That brought angry retorts.
We're accused of signing a pan-nationalist motion. A pan-nationalist motion. Well, just for the member's record, Mr Speaker, all children in Northern Ireland are affected. All teachers, all schools. Doesn't matter what walk of life. So don't try and turn something as fundamental as children's education into a sectarian argument.
Well done. Don't turn something like this into a sectarian argument. But that's what the DUP do. The DUP will take every argument and attempt to turn it into some sort of sectarian argument as it's Catholic against Protestant, or Unionist against Republican, or Unionist against Nationalist, or whatever. That's what the DUP do. That's all they have. And when I describe them as worse than the Tories, I stand by that. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about all of this. As always, your comments are greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.